Hi guys! Today I make these envelopes. Please like my video.
It was night today when you entered the space of me.
Please comment if you like my videos. Thank you my subscribers for supporting me. We need any A4 sheet. So let's start. Ten 10.5 centimeters asterisk 15 centimeters. Write your message.
In the dive of your flooding prayer, I wanna taste of your freedom. I wanna taste of your freedom. Frozen inside when you're not there. Weight of the world on me, I don't care. I wanna taste of your freedom. I wanna taste of your freedom. Give me a taste of your freedom.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Please comment. Thank you.